Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. I didn't know what I wanted to make today, so I decided to do a bead soup necklace. So I just pulled out some of my beads and I'm just deciding to play. I do have a general color scheme that I'm working on, but I'm just picking up beads randomly and putting them on my wire. The wire that I'm using is a beading wire called Tiger Tail. It's wire and it has like a plastic film over it, but it's pretty flexible and easy to use. It's also pretty strong, so I can use heavy beads if I need to. As you can see, I love beads and I love buying beads. They had a bead show in my city last weekend and I did not go. I'm very proud of myself because I have a house full of beads and but I still I tell myself I'm just gonna go through and see if there's anything that I can't do without. But I always end up buying more beads. But I didn't do it this time. I stayed home. I didn't go. So I'm very proud of myself. I need to use the beads that I already have. As you can see, I'm playing around with turquoise as a base and then neutrals, and I'm throwing in, other little colors as I randomly pick them up. But everything is working together. Well, I like the length of it now, so I'm going to get ready to finish it off. What I'm going to do is put on a bead that has a big hole in it, and then I will tie my knot, and I'll tie several knots, and then I'll pull the knot through the big hole bead. For me, this is so relaxing. I'm just so enjoying doing this. I don't have to make any decisions. I don't have to do anything that's difficult. So here's my wood bead with the big hole in it that I'm going to thread through there. And now I'm going to just tie my knots. And, I'm going to pull the wire as tight as I can and then tie several knots. And then once I get enough knots, I'm going to pull it through. And I may go back and put a little bit of glue on that knot too, just to make it secure. Well, good people, if you like this video, please like, share, leave me a comment, subscribe. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.